True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah man, big up on yourself. Anyway, we now watch from the yard and abroad, you can big up on yourself. So this is where I'm at. I am in Manchester. Yeah man, this is the gas station Petcom on Winston Jones Highway. Yeah man, so this is the cheapest gas station in Mandeville, Manchester. So if you don't want no cheap gas to buy, come at the Petcom gas station off Winston Jones Highway.
Turn left. Then turn left onto A2 Winston Jones Hoy. Make a U-turn. Then turn left.
So I'm driving on Winston Jones Highway. I'm driving on A2. Yeah man, so I'm driving on A2. So Winston Jones Highway, it's very close to Mandeville town center. Very, very close to Mandeville town center. It's about roughly about 7 minutes drive, can be less, depends on where you're driving from. So we have a car mart on your left or your right hand side on Winston Jones. A lot of car mart in Mandeville. So it's about 10:57 a.m. in Manchester, heading towards New Green.
At the roundabout, take the second exit onto A2 Winston Jones Hoy.
Yeah, I'm on New Green roundabout, which could take you back to in the town center, take you to Mile Gully. Also, it can take you to Porous. No, set up on the highway, you can't drive too slow on the highway, so what we expect, you gotta get a little speed today,
In 1.9
not too
kilometers.
fast.
Turn left.
So in 1.5 kilometer, I would make a left turn, which would take us onto. Gonna take it through the Kendall area. So we are supposed to hear about the Kendall crash. Yeah man, the Kendall crash in Manchester. One chain crash in Manchester. I think a lot of life has been lost in that chain crash, and people survive until today. Some people are alive from that chain crash. So you all can Google it and you will see what I'm talking about. It's named the Kendall chain crash in Mandeville, Manchester. That's a nice view up there in the hills. Very, very nice view from right here. I don't know which hill. So it's very nice to know beautiful Jamaica with your tour guide, Fire Reid. Just want to say thank you all for stopping by onto the channel. I really appreciate it a lot. Really appreciate the support. Because if it wasn't for you, my people, this channel would not be growing. So True Jamaican Vibes with Fire Reid. Them place a accident prone area, so look out on the eyes. A lot of people would be speeding in them area here. always remember to wear your seat belts. Drive safe on the road. You know, seat belts save a lot of lives. So always remember, safety is first. So in 470 meters, I will make the left turn, will take us to all to in the Kendall area.
In 300 meters, turn left.
Take it on the soft shoulder. You know, see how some people drive. And wait for them turn.
Turn left.
So I made the left turn right here off Winston Jones Highway, which is going to take us to in the Kendall area.
Turn right onto B6.
On your left, that's where you have with the dirt with the mine from the back side again. Don't remember that dirt name, but you know, see, I saw the brain function some of the time. So if you learn something about Jamaica in the Kendall area, Manchester, them place here, you can subscribe, also share the video and give the video a big thumbs up, free of cost. Yeah man, so you come under the bridge, a lot of potholes, so you have to be careful. Pothole like trouble. Don't want to chop a tire going on your journey. So when you come underneath the bridge, it'll go very hard for you to see. So look out for them potholes, you know. On your right, you have the Hambury Avenue. On your right, you have the Adventist Church, that is the Kendall, in the Kendall area. So if you want to visit the Adventist Church in Kendall, you know exactly where to find it if you use a 7-day worship. So we are heading towards in the Pick a Pepper area. You know, in Mandeville, they have a Pick a Pepper factory. That's a factory that do a lot of pepper sauce. You know, some of the time we get some nice tasting pepper. And we don't know exactly where we get those pepper from, where it made. But some of those pepper made in Mandeville. come to this area is in the Kendall area. You see a lot of bars and heading towards the police station very close into this area. Also we have the Kendall campus. Stunk pan hard, you know, because look out for them driving up on the road. But some people don't really take no time on the road, them just come around driving at speed, always in a haste. So we are driving on B6. We are now on B6. Yeah man, we are driving on B6. On your right, that's where you have the police station in Kendall area. On your left, that's where you have the Kendall campus in Manchester.
In 300 meters, turn right. Turn right onto B6.
If you make the left turn, it will take you back to Mile Gully area. So I'll make the right turn.
In 400 meters, turn left onto B5, Shooters Hill to Cane Shop Road.
On your left, coming up, this is where you're gonna have the Pica Pepper factory right on your left. This is the Pica Pepper factory area. So this is the sign right here, the Pica Pepper Company Ltd. Yeah man, so you see it celebrating 100 years, 1921 to 2021. Yeah man, premium quality Jamaican. You don't know, say when Jamaica love them sauce and them pepper, you don't know, so yes, where they get it from. So we try to know the area as much as possible. So we're heading towards in the Kendall area. No, Kirkvine area. Sorry about that, my people. Sorry about that, man. Right across from the Kirkvine Sports Complex. So if you make the right turn right here,
onto B5, Shooters Hill to Cane Shop Road.
if you make the right turn right here, it will take you back to the Williamsfield area. So I'm going to make the left turn, which will take us onto B5, which is the Shooters Hill.
Go straight on for 35
Cane
minutes
Shop
to
Road.
B5.
Yeah man, so this is the Shooters Hill area, which is in B5. We're driving on B5 now, guys. Yeah man, no Manchester with Fire Reid, also no Jamaica. If you don't love the content, them just say, yeah man, Jamaica nice, no matter what the situation is. still I love Jamaica, you know. So leave in the comment section and tell me what you think about Jamaica. What we can do to make Jamaica better. Crime and violence. You know, say that's why a lot of people scared to travel Jamaica because of the crime and violence. Everybody have them different opinions. So leave in the comment section what you think about what we can do to make our beautiful island Jamaica much better. Come to Jamaica, enjoy the rivers, enjoy the beach. So it's about 4 minutes after 11, which is 11 a.m. in the Shooters Hill area in Manchester. So this road can take you all to Spaldings and Christiana. It's a beautiful day, nice weather today. weather today. So we're heading towards the Mispa area. On your left, you have the Mispa Primary School. So thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.